Callaloo is a Trinidadian classic, rich, hearty, and full of deep, comforting flavors. It's also legit one of my favorite Trini dishes. We start by sauteing and salting our onions until translucent, then add garlic and ginger until fragrant, followed by scallions and then a few sprigs of thyme. Since we're using fresh thyme, I've tied it with butcher's twine so that it's easy to remove the stems later. Next, we'll add a couple tablespoons of green seasoning and let it cook off for a minute till fragrant. Now for the okra. Today I'm using frozen diced okra, but fresh works just as well. Just chop off the stems and cut them into pieces. Traditionally, callaloo is actually made with dasheen bush, but if you're like me, finding it locally is nearly impossible. So we're using spinach instead. Just toss it all in. It might seem like too much for the pot, but trust the process, spinach cooks down to almost nothing. Next, pour in coconut milk, water, a bit of salt, and a Scotch bonnet. Cover and let simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the spinach has started to break down, give everything a good stir. If we were doing a callaloo variation like adding pumpkin, crab, or pigtail, this is where we'd add it in. Cover again and let it cook over medium to medium-low heat for about 30 minutes. After simmering, remove the thyme stems, Scotch bonnet, and any crab or meat that you added. Then pulse with a hand blender or a traditional swizzle stick until you reach your desired consistency. For a thicker callaloo, simmer uncovered to reduce. For a soupier consistency, just add a splash of water. Simple as that, you've made Trinidadian callaloo. Creamy, flavorful, and perfect with rice, curry chicken, macaroni pie, or even on its own. How do you eat your callaloo? Drop your favorite combo in the comments.